Well, I got this $4 plastic mask from Kroger, and I completely failed at my first project with it, so I'm going to try something a little different. If you're interested to find out what that's going to be, stay tuned and watch this. Well, if you like this mask build, I'd certainly appreciate a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. Share this if you want to, and with any luck, I'll see you on the next video. Interested in the paranormal? Check out the mysterious puzzle t-shirts at Parabox Monthly. Use promo code HNX10 and get 10% off your order. Check out the link in the description below.